Okay, good morning. It's September 12th, 2024, and we're going to continue the build today. The generator shed. Show you what we got going on so far. Alrighty, there she is. And I put up those two walls, the first time I ever built a wall, and it came out pretty good. I still got to do this side and then the front. This will have the doors that open here, and the generator actually will sit just the way it is there without the handles out, and it'll sit here, and so the exhaust will go out and I can change the oil. And then the front of it, where it plugs in and all the controls and everything, will be facing this way. I already got the plug under there, so that comes out, and then the ground cable, and I'll have a little sort of door window like here that I'll be able to flip up and get to the controls and everything, and then it'll go back down. But the side is really where the doors are going to go. I'll have to build them, and that'll let the exhaust out. It'll let me change the oil and all of that, and she'll be good to go. I got to pound that ground rod in some more and connect that cable. But otherwise, that's that. Jakey sniffing. Oh, what is that? Alright, well, we better get to it. And that's those solar panels over there. That's the next project. And we gotta still do all that bucking and do all that wood. Lots to do. In any event, until next time, God bless.